Leader Creature is a brand of Guangdong Hantai Decoration Company, which provides advanced and professional vinyl wrap films. The company, established in 2006, is a professional productive enterprise integrating the technological research, design, production and sale for modern PVC decorative film. The company factory covers an area of 30,000 square meters, and monthly capacity over 3 million meters. With first-class equipment from German and Taiwan, we could provide clients a more reliable assurance. We got a senior R&D team. All are experts and technicians with polymer materials, precision coating and fitting, or color background and more than 20 years of working experience. We are professional because our concentration. Leader Creature Vinyl Wrap Film, a trustworthy factory brand. Leader Creature Vinyl Wrap Film, with brilliant coating technology, unique color series, makes your car an extraordinary one. Smooth and elegant film surface, gorgeous and saturated color together with brilliant and dazzling flash powder, creates a superior product beyond other brand. Professional personalized color customization and perfectly matured technology, beyond the normal horizon, and is detached from the average group. We are not limited by the style, do not compromise to the trend. Leader Creature Vinyl Wrap Film, we redefine the color and born to be brilliant. For more than 10 years, we always keep our mind, keep innovating, make every film with concentrated attention. Leader Creature, high-tech enterprises, intelligent manufacturing demonstration enterprises, ISO 9001 certified enterprises. We established a 3-level product quality control pyramid, supervise the quality of raw materials, spot check producing products at any time, strictly control the quality of finished products. We strive for perfection in every process, and every product is the result of meticulous elaboration. We set up a research and development laboratory and a testing center, never slack to strictly test all products. We use real data as proof and take high quality as the foundation of the company. We never stop innovating in color and maintaining the high quality of our products.